Hey guys, what's up? It's Bailey and today I'm going to be giving you a little mini jewelry haul of what is on my neck and on my fingers and on my wrists. So, if you want to know some cool jewelry places to shop and where I got these from, then keep on watching because I'm excited. So a lot of people ask me like, where's your jewelry from? And that's so cute, where'd you get it? You know, all of those things. And I figured I should come on here and share because necklaces and just jewelry, but particularly necklaces, is something that I'm just so passionate about. I'm more of a necklace girl, so as you can see, it's stacked on my neck. So yeah, let's start there. So this first necklace on my neck actually is a necklace that I wear sometimes backwards. It is a Africa necklace. It is the continent. I'm not gonna turn around because this is how I wear it, but I also just love the chain. So sometimes if I don't want to wear the pendant, depending on what else I'm wearing on my neck, I'll flip it around. And this chain is just so pretty. This is from by Lolita and I just love it. I've purchased so many of their items. They're all really good quality. I'm a girl who sometimes will shower in her pieces or sleep in her jewelry. So the fact that none of them have turned, you know, or like rubbed off on my skin and made my skin green or blue or whatever, I really, really like by Lolita. And yeah, so that is this one. The next little guy I love. Oh my gosh, it's from this company called Girls Crew. And I found them just kind of scrolling through Instagram. Okay. I know like they watch you or like follow your, you know, what you're looking up and what you're searching, but I'll give it props. The Instagram, how they filter out my sponsorships or sponsored posts are spot on. Like my sponsored posts are always so accurate. So, I mean, they're looking at what I'm looking at to curate my sponsored posts, but they're killing it. They really are, because this is how I found Girls Crew and I really, really love it. It's their herringbone necklace and I've been looking for something that was super flat and just dainty and something that if I don't wear all these necklaces, I can wear on its own. And I just love it. It's just so pretty. And yeah, I wear it every day. Under there is a little tiny nameplate necklace. I've had a few nameplate necklaces in my day. This one says Mylin, which is my middle name. And I don't know, I just don't like putting Bailey on things. Most of my nameplate necklaces have all been Mylin. It's something about my middle name versus having my first name on me and people reading it and being like, oh, you're Bailey. It's like, I don't know, I just don't like people just being able to read me like that really quick. Same way why I don't like zodiac necklaces that will say like Aries. I rather just have like the constellation or something because it's just like a little bit more subtle. I don't know, I'm weird, but I just like having Mylin as my nameplate and that's why I'm wearing on my neck. This is from an Etsy shop. I'll link it down below. I love it because of the size of the writing or of just the nameplate itself. It's super small, it's really dainty. But yeah, this is from Etsy and I love it and it's super cute. The one under my little Mylin necklace is a diamond tennis necklace. It's just, there's really nothing else to explain about it. It's just a diamond necklace. So yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple. The next two, I'll put two. One lays before the other, but they're a set. It's again from By Lolita and I love them. They're little baby Buddhas. And again, it comes in a set. I think they also have a clear Buddha, a black one, the green, and maybe a lavender. I was on their site like 2 weeks ago. But a lot of things sell out because everybody's like on the By Lolita trend, which is amazing, you know, props to them. Get your money. I love their jewelry. But it's just like, dang, things are sold out. And then with Corona, you know, companies restocking, all that stuff. So it stinks. So you might not be able to get everything you want on the site right now, but continue to check back because By Lolita is awesome. And yeah, it's their baby Buddha set. And yeah, they're slightly different than the other. They're obviously different lengths. And yeah, they just add a pop of color to my neck. And I just feel like they look really good. I don't know, what do you think? Tell me it looks good. I know. Ah! The last necklace that I wear is from Reagan Jewels and it's their letter necklace. I'm normally not a huge, as I wear green on my neck, I'm not a huge color girl. I don't know. I just like gold necklaces. But I don't know, something, I saw this on their website and something just made me, it's summertime, you know, or spring, but it's getting warmer. And I was just like, let me put some color in my life, you know, just let me just throw on a color necklace. Like, why not have a little rainbow or something? I don't know. But yeah, I really like it, and it's bigger. I normally have really small dainty necklaces and just layer a bunch of those. But yeah, and I know what I said earlier about not wanting my first name, but this is a B. So it's a bit more like obscure. My name could be anything. Blair, Bianca, Brittany. It doesn't have to be Bailey. You wouldn't like guess that on the first try. So it's a bit more like, it's not in your face. Highly recommend all of these shops. All of these shops. Thorough research here. All of these shops. So that is it for my neck. Now for my ears, I used to have a third piercing, but it closed, which is so sad. But I want to get it back, but not now because of Corona. So maybe after. But I have two, or I have three on this ear because I have a third piercing. This one is just a gold hoop from just a jeweler in my city. So that's like nothing that someone can just like buy online, but that's whatever. But I have little butterflies. I love elephants and butterflies. I don't know why, but I do. So I didn't want to get an elephant earring. I don't know. I just feel like butterflies are like cuter in terms of just what's in my ear. I don't know. But I wanted to get a butterfly necklace or a butterfly earring. And so I went to the brand, I think it's Choker. I don't know. I will link everything down below. I could be very wrong, but yeah, I love their site. And so I got these little butterfly earrings. And then the hoops I'm wearing are from Ellie Veil Jewelry. I love hoops. I love a good circle hoop, but I saw these and they're oval, and I said they're the Easton oval hoop. How I know that? So good. And I was like, oh my gosh, wait. This is a little different. She's a little different. Okay, I'll try it. So I did, and I love it. So yeah, the hoops are always in my ear. I change out my second hole quite often with other earrings while I've been home, but I always wear my hoops. They're just like little dainty and they're cute. So yeah, and they always make you look like put together, I feel like. So I always have them in. My rings, there's not really much going on, but on this finger, I have a ring from my mom. It says use your wings, which is something that I also have tattooed on me. Go chase after what you want. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And this ring and on my rib cage is a reminder of that. So yeah, it's really cute, and it's the only silver thing I will probably ever wear. I'm gold, but yeah, this is silver. And I think she was like, I got it because, you know, it was silver. It was like different, I think. But I don't know. I love this ring. I never take it off, like ever. I love this ring. And the next, I have a baby pinky ring. Literally baby pinky ring. It's from when I was a baby. It wasn't a pinky ring. It used to be a regular ring, but I'm a bigger human now. So I have a pinky ring. So that's a pinky ring. It's just really cute and small, and I love it. I think it just reminds me of a time when I was this small. I think it's so funny. So I look at it, I'm like, oh, I used to fit on my index finger. How cute. And the last two things are my Cartier love ring and bracelet set. Like, it's like so small. My wrist is so small. But yeah, I just have the love ring. This is their love ring. I'm sure you've seen it, heard of it. It's nothing new by any means. Those are all of my jewelry pieces that I pretty much wear every day. A full jewelry haul I would love to give, but like I said, sadly, all that stuff's in New York. It's all in New York. If you like this video, subscribe, and like. And like I said, I will link everything down below. So if you want to shop these specific pieces and or see what else they have on their website, go for it. Like I said, Bailey approved. They're cute. They don't turn weird funky colors. They don't turn silver on you. No, she's good. She's passed the test. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.